5. Collagen-rich dishes to support joint health for older adults. As we age, joint pain, stiffness, and difficulty moving can feel like inevitable parts of life. Many turn to medications, supplements, or therapies, but few realize that one of the most effective tools for supporting joint health might already be in their kitchen. Collagen, the scaffolding of joints, bones, tendons, and cartilage, naturally declines with time, making joints stiffer, cartilage thinner, and recovery from movement slower. The good news: you can replenish collagen through nutrient-packed, delicious meals that not only taste great, but also help restore joint flexibility and strength. Let's explore 5 collagen-rich recipes crafted to support joint health for older adults. These dishes are easy to make, nutrient-dense, and inspired by real stories of people who've felt the difference. Each meal nourishes the body while offering a way to care for yourself, as every ingredient you choose can fight inflammation or nurture your joints. Whether you cook solo with family or just want tasty ways to feel better, this guide is your companion. No need to be a pro chef, just a little intention to care for your body, and you're ready for this journey. Recipe 1. Chicken bone broth, a warm kitchen remedy. As we grow older, joint pain or morning stiffness can become uninvited companions. Many reach for pills or supplements, but one of the most effective joint-supporting remedies might be simmering in your kitchen. Chicken bone broth. A simple yet deeply flavorful dish is more than just food. It's a healing ritual, carrying the warmth and nostalgia of days when the aroma of Mom's soup filled the house. Chicken bone broth is special because it speaks the body's language. When chicken bones, especially collagen-rich parts like wings, feet, or necks, are simmered for hours, they release precious nutrients: collagen gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin. These aren't just buzzwords on supplement labels. They're natural compounds that rebuild cartilage, lubricate joints, strengthen tendons and ligaments, and support joint fluid for smoother movement. Best of all, this warm, easy-to-digest broth is gentle on the sensitive digestive systems of older adults, which can struggle with pills or powdered supplements. Just 1 cup of warm bone broth daily can spark subtle but noticeable changes. One older adult shared that after swapping their morning coffee for a cup of broth, they felt a difference within a week. Fingers once stiff when gripping objects grew more nimble. Steps down the stairs, once creaky at the knees, became lighter. Beyond that, broth is versatile. Use it for soups, grain stews, or sip it in the evening as a calming ritual offering both nourishment and peace. This dish asks for little more than time, patience, and a touch of self-care. No prescription, no complexity, no high cost, just results that exceed expectations. More than that, chicken bone broth stirs fond memories of Grandma's or Mom's kitchen, where a bowl of hot soup seemed to heal everything. In a world of trends and quick fixes, bone broth holds its ground as a humble yet powerful dish. Not promising instant miracles, but quietly providing the building blocks for a body that stays strong, flexible, and vibrant. Recipe 2. Salmon and sweet potato patties. A tasty duo for joint health. As age creeps up, joint aches or stiffness after a long day can make movement tougher. Many seek relief through medications or supplements, but sometimes a delicious, easy-to-make dish from your kitchen is the key to supporting joints effectively. Salmon and sweet potato patties. A seemingly simple combo are a powerhouse, delighting your taste buds while nourishing joints from within, helping restore flexibility and ease. Salmon steals the show here, not just for its rich, tender flavor, but for its stellar nutrition. It's a high-quality protein source packed with essential amino acids like glycine and proline. The bricks your body needs to build and maintain collagen, the protein that keeps joints, tendons, and cartilage strong. Plus, salmon is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, with EPA and DHA proven to reduce inflammation, soothe swollen joints, and ease stiffness especially for older adults with arthritis. These nutrients offer gentle long-term support without the side effects of many anti-inflammatory drugs. But a great dish needs a worthy partner, and sweet potato is the perfect match. Its vibrant orange hue and natural sweetness make the patties irresistible while delivering vitamin C crucial for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows, leaving joints more vulnerable. Sweet potatoes also provide fiber and complex carbs for steady energy and blood sugar control, key for older adults. Their antioxidants shield joints from oxidative stress, a culprit in faster joint aging. Together, salmon and sweet potatoes create patties that are both delicious and nutrient-packed, easily fitting into your weekly menu. One older adult shared that, after adding these patties to their meals, they noticed a clear change. Hip pain that flared during walks faded, and stiff hand joints from daily tasks grew more flexible. The recipe is simple: mix cooked salmon with mashed sweet potato. Add a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory power, toss in some parsley for freshness, and lightly pan-fry in olive oil. The result: golden fragrant patties that are as good for your body as they are for your soul. Salmon and sweet potato patties aren't just about using pantry staples, they're a proactive step toward joint health. They bring joy to cooking, satisfaction to eating, and most importantly, the feeling of a well-nourished body. With every bite, you're not just eating to fill up, you're fueling your body to move easier and live better. It's proof that joint care doesn't have to be a chore. Sometimes it's as simple as a tasty meal prepared with love and intention. Recipe 3: Beef and Vegetable Stew. A hearty dish to nourish joints. As we age, joint pain or discomfort during movement can turn daily activities into challenges. Many turn to medications or complex therapies, but few realize that a warm, fragrant dish from their kitchen can be a natural remedy for joint health. Beef and vegetable stew. A meal that feels like a cozy embrace is not only delicious, but also a rich source of collagen and nutrients, rebuilding joints, boosting flexibility, and offering deep comfort. Beef, especially cuts like shank ribs or tendon-rich pieces, is the star here, thanks to its high natural collagen content. When slow cooked for hours, this collagen transforms into gelatin, an easily absorbed compound that lubricates joints, repairs cartilage, and strengthens connective tissues between bones. Unlike collagen supplements, gelatin from stewed beef is natural and readily recognized by the body, making it ideal for older adults. Paired with antioxidant-rich vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, this stew becomes a complete meal, supporting joints, boosting immunity, and providing steady energy all day. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and convenience. One older adult shared that using a slow cooker made prep a breeze. Just 15 minutes in the morning to chop veggies, sear the beef, and toss everything into the pot. And by dinner, the kitchen was filled with an aroma that recalled family meals of yesteryear. After a few weeks of including this stew in their diet, they noticed significant changes. Mornings free of joint stiffness, stronger grip strength, and knee pain from climbing stairs nearly gone. Even better, the stew can be made once and enjoyed over multiple meals, saving time while ensuring a nutrient-rich dish is always ready. Beef and vegetable stew is more than a meal to fill your belly. It's part of a journey to better health. Every spoonful of rich broth is a natural remedy, nourishing your body and bringing calm. It's proof that the best things for your health don't need to be complicated. Just a little patience, familiar. Ingredients and a commitment to self-care can transform your kitchen into a source of wellness. With this stew, you're not just eating to live, you're eating to move freely and live fully day by day. Recipe 4: Egg and Spinach. Soup gentle yet powerful for joints. As age advances, joint pain or stiffness can make everyday tasks like gripping or moving feel harder. Many turn to medications or complex methods, but sometimes a light, digestible dish from your familiar kitchen is the simplest way to support joint health. Egg and spinach soup. A delicate quick dish with surprising nutritional power is perfect for older adults looking to nourish their bodies without taxing digestion while promoting joint flexibility and comfort. Eggs are the heart of this soup, delivering complete protein with key amino acids like glycine and proline, essential for producing collagen to maintain strong joints, tendons, and ligaments. When whisked and gently stirred into hot broth, eggs become silky and easy to absorb, ideal for the sensitive digestive systems of older adults which can struggle with heavy meals or powdered supplements. Spinach, with its fresh green vibrancy, adds vitamin C, critical for collagen synthesis, along with magnesium and antioxidants to protect joints from aging and inflammation-related damage. Together, they create a warm, comforting soup that's both a gentle, natural remedy and highly effective for joint support. This soup stands out for its ease, ready in under 10 minutes. One older adult shared that after struggling with arthritis, they tried this soup as part of a healthier diet. They started by heating chicken bone broth, whisking in eggs, and adding handfuls of fresh spinach until just wilted. Sometimes they included a pinch of ginger or turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits, creating a fragrant, warming flavor. After a few weeks of including this soup in their diet, they noticed less hand swelling, easier gripping, and better overall energy. Simple tasks like writing, brushing hair, or opening jars, once challenging, became easier. The change wasn't instant, but the gradual improvement felt empowering, tied to meals they prepared themselves. Egg and spinach soup is more than a quick meal. It's a sustainable way for older adults to care for their joints. It's customizable with herbs or spices and works for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, adding flexibility to daily menus. More than that, it's proof that health doesn't need to be complex or heavy. Sometimes a warm, simple bowl of soup is enough to nourish body and soul. With every spoonful, you're not just eating to fill up, you're investing in flexibility, strength, and comfort to enjoy life more fully each day. Recipe 5. Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds. A fresh breakfast for healthy joints. As we age, joint pain or morning stiffness can make starting the day feel daunting. Many seek medications or complex solutions, but a simple fresh breakfast from your kitchen can be a fantastic way to nurture joint health. Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds. A light, quick dish bursting with nutrition. Not only feels refreshing, but also acts as a natural remedy to keep joints flexible, reduce aches, and energize your mornings. Greek yogurt takes center stage, packed with high-quality protein and amino acids like glycine and lysine. Vital for producing collagen, the protein that keeps joints, tendons, and cartilage strong. It also contains probiotics which balance gut microbiota, helping reduce body-wide inflammation, including in the joints. A healthy gut can make a big difference in managing inflammation, especially for older adults. Paired with berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, the dish gains vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, and antioxidants that protect joints from oxidative stress, a key factor in joint aging. Flax seeds, rich in plant-based omega-3s, add anti-inflammatory power, soothing irritated tissues, and improving mobility. This dish is not only nutritious, but also incredibly easy, perfect for those wanting a quick yet meaningful breakfast. One older adult shared that they switched from buttered toast to a bowl of Greek yogurt, topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds. After a few weeks, they noticed a shift. Mornings were free of joint stiffness. Standing and sitting became easier, and they could walk longer without hip pain or fatigue. Beyond health benefits, they loved the light, refreshing feeling after eating, like their body was fueled right to start the day. Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds isn't just a convenient breakfast, it's a smart strategy for joint care and a vibrant start to the day. You can customize it with banana slices, A drizzle of honey or other favorite fruits, keeping flavors varied while preserving nutritional benefits. It's proof that joint care doesn't need to be complex or time-consuming. Sometimes a fresh bowl of yogurt prepared with intention is enough to nourish your body and bring freedom to every movement. With every spoonful, you're not just eating to fill up, you're investing in flexibility, strength, and the joy of living day by day. Connecting the journey. Eating with purpose. Joint pain. Stiffness or difficulty moving don't have to be accepted as inevitable parts of aging. Through these 5 collagen-rich dishes, from warming chicken bone broth, savory salmon and sweet potato patties, hearty beef and vegetable stew, gentle egg and spinach, soup to refreshing, Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds, we see that food, the simple ingredients in your kitchen, can be a powerful tool for nurturing joint health. Collagen isn't just a trendy term. It's the glue that keeps your joints, tendons, and cartilage flexible and strong, helping you keep doing what you love: gardening, strolling, or simply waking up pain-free. The beauty of this journey is that joint care doesn't demand drastic changes or complex diets. A cup of warm bone broth, a golden salmon patty, or a bowl of yogurt with berries can easily become daily habits. The key is consistency. Collagen and its supporting nutrients don't work overnight, but over weeks and months, your body will build, growing more flexible and resilient from within. Each dish is more than a meal. It's a meaningful step, hydrating, protecting, and repairing joint tissues to help you live more fully. Imagine this. What if every meal became part of caring for yourself? What if every bite was an investment in long-term freedom and health? Your kitchen isn't just a place to cook. It's the starting point for wellness and joy. When planning your grocery list or next meal, think about choosing ingredients that nourish, reduce inflammation, and boost collagen. That's how you turn everyday eating into opportunities to love yourself better. Start with one dish experiment and feel the difference. Every spoonful of soup, every patty, every bowl of yogurt is a reminder that you can take charge of your health one meal at a time. By feeding your joints what they truly need, you'll reap the rewards of comfort, flexibility, and daily joy. So which dish will you try first to begin this journey?